Richard, revive me.
Where you at?
Oh, just kidding. I survived.
Whoa.
Hey, did you like that sled, Brett?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I got a big one on me. Oh, fuck me.
Fuck this guy. You want to point that at me, you motherfucker?
Point what?
Your
I
gun,
got my sword out, dude.
Creeper.
Oh man. So way back in the mine, got a pickaxe ring it from side to side. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh, you put on the gold suit already. You need the gold suit. What the fuck?
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
They don't want you going in fully loaded. Oh damn.
I wonder if it hurts you. Wait, you can drink it? Wait,
Huh?
No.
I'm gonna do it for the boys.
I'm gonna drink it.
I'm drinking it too.
Yo, we just drank lava,
Fucking
bro.
yes, dude.
Oh, I hate that.
Oh shit. Yeah, you're right.
Oh, gunshots, yep. Well, hey boys.
Right here. What is this?
Our backpack.
What's up, guys? It's Grinch KD. I hope you guys are excited for the final episode of Sons of the Forest. I knew nothing going into this. I'm not sure what the boys knew, but we had a blast. It gets crazy, and I hope you guys enjoyed the series. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Click your mouse. Like your scroll wheel, I mean. Oh fuck! Look!
Holy shit, this is so much better. What the hell?
This is so much better, bro.
Whoa.
Look, the green dot. The green dot. Oh, it's by the beach.
Yep.
Yeah, we already did that one by the house. Thing.
Oh, dude, that's so much better.
Oh my god, dude, in this game. I mean, doesn't it like do a tutorial real quick or some shit? We're busy
in-
fucking at the max zoom, bro. Oh my god. Richard, revive me.
Where you at?
Oh, just kidding. I survived.
Whoa.
Oh, I'm goated. I didn't even lose armor, man.
Dude, every day I look at that game, dude, it makes like that Minecraft Legends game, bro, looks nicer and nicer every day. I don't know.
What is it about?
I don't even know.
What do you do?
I think you just like build armies and like you go like conquer like fucking.
Whoa,
Yeah, it's like a
whoa,
third
whoa,
person,
whoa,
like,
whoa,
first
whoa,
person.
whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my god! Oh, the sled bounces in water.
Ooh, wait,
Wait,
you're
really?
fucking smart.
Yeah.
Where's this slow down?
Oh! In the top left, top left. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Beat in the ass! Shit!
How do you use it?
You just jump and click
You have
space like the other thing.
Oh shit!
Yeah, like hold.
Oh
it.
shit!
Yeah. Huh.
That's cool.
Oh, here comes Richard. I wish I could watch Richard for the content, but these fucking monkeys want to jump me.
Drifting. How do you get off of it?
Left click. Or right click, actually.
Oh, bet.
Yeah, I definitely made that slide a lot earlier.
Yeah, this is fucking nice, dude. I wish we would have found out about this fucking clicking shit, dude.
Yeah. Big time.
Hey, did you like that sled, Brett?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I got a big one on me. Oh, fuck me.
Fuck this guy.
Shit.
Why are they taking it so long?
He's dead.
Look at him crying. Look at this.
Bitch.
Oh fuck.
Dude,
Dude, he's pointing at me like he's wanting to duel with me. Hey, yo, chill!
Motherfuckers.
You know what we did to your kind?
Shoot him. Hell yeah. Where's the buckshot at, Brett?
He's behind you.
Not this case, right?
This one.
Hell yeah.
oh, captured, bitch. We'll get a bunch from you want to point that at me, you motherfucker?
Wait, what?
Your
I got my
gun,
sword, I got my
bitch.
sword out, dude.
I ain't retarded. What are those things on the beach over there?
It's true. What are those?
Stop by that.
Like I ran out of stem.
Pockets are bad.
Now.
Yes.
Looks like golf carts.
Huh.
Oh yeah, they are golf carts. What the fuck? Oh, the docks.
Wait, a turtle! Give me that shell, bitch.
Let's go. Let's fucking go,
Yeah.
Brad. Big dubs, dude.
Where's the turtle from?
Hell yeah. Welcome to the boys.
All right, gang. Oh, there's like no. Oh, we just go in. There's no.
I'm lagging. Fuck me.
Oh, that lag.
Oh,
Yeah, they just loading it in.
Loading everything in, man.
Okay, there's a. Never mind. There's nothing. I thought it was like a deep water path. Creeper.
oh man. So way back in the line, got a pickaxe ring it from side to side. A bunny.
That's not freaky at all. Jiggle peek?
Yep.
Yep. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Okay, I guess we're gone. 360. Got him. We're safe, boys. What are you guys doing? Just standing in the corner. Am I lagging?
Alright, there's two ways.
Okay, shit.
Alright.
I'm gonna go right.
Two ways?
This seems smaller.
Yeah. This room is bright. Hey,
I'm lagging, boys. I'm fucking lagging.
Yeah! Stop fucking lagging.
what is this?
Oh,
Save the
wait,
game.
you
We can save the
saved
game
me.
right here. Yep.
Oh.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm lagging my ass off right now, bro. Holy shit.
Yours.
Oh, you hear that?
Radio.
Oh, yeah.
This way, boys. This way. Over here on this door. You guys good? Can you guys hear me? Holy shit, what the fuck? Yeah, I'm sorry, YouTube. Lagging hard right now.
Sorry. Kind of a banger.
Okay.
Another book. Rescued book by Eric Vaughn.
Email? Crosses burn demons?
Oh, slugs. A whole lot of slugs. And 9 mil.
Before?
Hunter, come get these slugs.
I'm lagging it like fuck, dude. Fuck me, dude.
No.
Oh no.
You see it on the table?
Oh yeah, oh, goddamn. Holy. That's scary. Why is there so much ammo? Do we know where we're supposed to go
Right.
now?
Yeah.
Yep.
I accidentally found it.
Worked for me.
Look, it's sick.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh, you put on the gold suit already. You need the gold suit. What the fuck?
Oh
Well,
shit.
Oh, yeah.
They don't want you going in fully loaded. Oh damn. Well, actually, wait. You could just use the gold suit. We don't have to.
Oh, fuck you. Is that my shit on the ground?
I don't know. No, I didn't see it come on the ground.
Yeah, I don't see it.
Yeah,
Is it back in inventory?
Put it back up.
Oh, okay.
All right,
Is
boys.
that a thing? Dude, the last forest ending, I fucking nearly shit my pants.
That was difficult. I had to do it. Flame arrows. Oh, motherfucker,
Oh,
Oh my fuck! Wait, why did you kill them with the fucking thing?
Wait, go.
oh.
Who's just joined Discord? Did I disconnect or someone joined?
David.
Here's David.
Okay.
What's up, dude?
There's lava right here, bro. What the fuck?
I wonder if it hurts you. Wait, you can drink it? Wait,
Huh?
No.
I'm gonna do it for the boys.
I'm gonna drink it.
I'm drinking it too. Well,
Yo, we just drank lava,
fucking
bro.
yes, dude.
Damn, we're built like that, bro. Holy shit.
Fucking yes.
We're aliens.
I actually
man.
built like big cock shit. It makes me not even scared to fall down that hole. I feel like I should be scared to fall down that hole.
I'm guessing we're under the mountain now.
Oh yeah, we have to be.
Oh wait, My bad, don't work under this.
Well, if we can drink it, what's next? Swimming in it?
Yep.
I didn't even jump. I just. Oh my god, I didn't even fucking jump. I just skated.
I think I pushed you across. Oh, God, we have to crouch.
Jesus.
Watch something fucking jump at us and we have to stay crouched, dude.
Ah!
Oh, it's another one of those fox boys. To our left. Wait, where'd he go?
Hey, yo, where the
Wait,
fuck is
what?
that thing?
Wait, where'd he go?
It's in the wall.
Wait, he disappeared.
You see it? Ah! You fucking cunt!
Oh! Oh shit!
Yo! Yo! Chill out!
Yeah, Hunter's mag dumping him. Oh, Hunter, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Shit. So that's why we have 70 bullets ready for this fucking cave. Right?
Oh, wait, where's that?
Ready, Brett? Oh, he's scared, bro. He's just sitting up there.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Let's see how much
3,
M9 I
2,
have.
1,
Bro,
Oh,
Hunter's a dickhead, dude.
I think I got my
still
last
got it, you
mag.
still got I mean, I brought extra ammo to have fun, especially if this is the finale. Like, I have bullets on me.
You have bullets on you?
Oh, shit!
He's running from the...
No, my team on me, bro. No, my team on me. Nice kill. Oh. Good stuff, boys. Well played. Well executed. And the Magma's a nice touch, I will not lie.
Oh.
More down there. Oh, he's
what
walking in the lava. He's
the-
walking in the fucking lava. No. Unacceptable.
I think there's a way we can avoid these two things.
Are we going down to like the alien breeding ground and we have to kill all the aliens? Like that we have to destroy their
We have
eggs?
to kill the fucking queen, bro. We have to fight the
Yo.
queen. Oh. Yeah, be careful if you're shooting.
Behind us,
bro.
behind us! He comes down from the ceiling! Oh, there's like four coming, boys. Look. One's dead, two are dead. Good stuff, boys.
Oh, another one body on it.
Holy shit, dude. By far this
Out
is
of ammo, man. There's so many over there, dude.
Is there? Ooh! Holy shit.
I don't
I
even
don't
know
even
if
know
we're
what
supposed
I'm
to go
talking,
this
bro.
way.
No, we have to, bro. This is very like.
It's not letting me move. What the fuck?
Oh, fuck. Oh!
Oh, boys, careful, careful. I'm on that thing, bang, baby.
Oh!
Magnum his ass. Good stuff, boys. That one's dead. It was squirming. Still a little
Let
bit
me
life left in
equip
it.
armor real quick.
Okay.
Alright,
Me too, yeah.
Get. Oh, wait, 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 wait.
There's one down there. There's one down there.
Not moving, I don't think. Alright. 3, 2. There's all kinds of them around here, dude. They give 2 each or one each?
I didn't even know
Just one, just one.
Okay, I found it.
Oh, there we go, okay. There's one across this lava too. Do we want to jump across the lava to get it or nah? I say nah. That's it. I know there's more than just 2, but it's all good. I've blown so much ammo being here. Holy shit. Okay, I gotta save a little bit more for the final boss. If there is a final boss. I'm sure there is, though. My boy's to the left. You guys want to go to the left and see if there's loot?
Big paper.
Wait, ammo or something?
Cube activates every 8 cycles.
Wait, what?
Okay. Cube activates every 8 cycles.
I don't see that.
Remember that.
Cube activates every 8 cycles.
8 days?
I'm pretty sure there was 8 numbers on that paper. I'm not sure. There's more papers. Out Demania. Stay in the cube.
Ooh.
Oh, I hear him.
Yep.
Yep.
It's easy kill, easy kill.
Yo. Mine? Guy right here?
Oh, yep.
Behind him? There's another one? Oh, just kidding. It's this one.
Hey, man.
Oh, ew, that does hurt. That does hurt.
For
Jesus.
real?
Lava hurts, boys.
Good. The other lava was purely put there to give us false hope. I wonder if they put it there just to see who would try and drink it.
Yep.
Like every time someone drinks it, like a tick counts on their website, and they're just like, "Oh, this one, oh, you will drink lava." Okay. I'm gonna put on some more armor real quick.
I'm rep.
You guys are fighting. I'm putting some armor.
No, don't push me in the lava. I'm gonna fucking.
I was behind you, and like you pushed me, so I moved to your
You're
right.
in front of me.
I have no video, buddy. 3, Dude, what?
I have it on my screen, man.
Video. I was behind you, and then I started sliding, so I moved to the right. Stinker boy. We must destroy the cube. We must destroy the cube so they don't respawn. Cause that's creepers. Oh man. Oh my god. It's a very long tunnel.
Yeah, it's just massive.
This is the luxury bunker? Oh, there's a bunch of them down there standing in the lava. Oh my god, dude. How many fucking are there?
Let's get this.
Holy fuck, they're coming.
Come on. Here, I'm here. One more. We're pulling up.
People.
Oh man.
I'm trying to push this thing, man.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Oh
fuck.
shit.
It's a hit and run.
Hit and run, bro?
Nice shot. Alright. Richard, are you at armor on your screen?
Yeah, I got shot up half health.
If you need to, throw on the gold armor.
Well, no, I got armor, but I'm just gonna wait until we
Alright, ready?
do all this.
Alright.
Bad.
Make sure this one
One,
pushes.
there's a couple up ahead, so I'm just gonna put armor on just in case. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
You're good.
Oh, something else. Uh-oh.
These fucking pussies.
Someone dropped creepy armor, they're pulling it. Oh, yeah, right here. Creepy armor. Oh,
Me.
Richard.
Take it.
I'm full as well. Hey, Richard.
Oh, bet.
Yeah, I guess so.
3, 2,
Right.
1. I'm full as well, I need to put some on. It's gonna just drop this one in my inventory again, too. Yeah, I dropped all the way over here. Come in!
Where's your keys?
Right there, on the jacket.
Pop some meds real quick. There you go.
Good to go? Alright.
Yep.
You guys feel that?
Oh.
Oh, behind it. My...
Oh shit.
Easy.
3, 2, 1.
Bitch ass fucking cricket, dude. Why is there a cricket on my leg, bro? I hate that.
Oh shit. Yeah, you're right.
Oh, gunshots, yep. You don't think it's more down the lava way? Oh, man, they both lead to the same
There's a
path.
guy to our right.
He's coming. Did you kill? I'm not even worried about the armor. I just want to go see what's up here. You guys want? Oh, there's a big one. There's a giant one.
Yo.
Where?
Did you not see that?
It's killing him. He's losing. The guy battling is losing. Oh shit.
Oh! Uh-oh.
Oh, I was right, my boy.
I am about to die.
Where'd the other guy go? Did the other player die? The guy that was...
Oh no, it's on the roof! It's on the roof! It's on the roof!
Oh!
It's on the roof! No, you fucking cunt! Leave me alone!
I never reload this bitch.
I gotta put on armor.
Oh, he's coming back!
Back up, Richard! I'm throwing a grenade! Another one!
I threw one.
I'm sacrificing myself!
Oh.
I threw one.
dead!
I threw another one.
Reloading again. Fuck, I'm almost out of ammo. Holy shit, dude! I'm out of bullets. No! Oh. I'm out of grenades. I need to put on a shotgun, boys. Fuck, I gotta get my inventory. Oh my god.
Oh. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm out of ammo.
I threw a grenade.
Oh.
Nice shot, nice shot.
Oh, he's stunned.
dead?
It's like down for a damage phase.
He's stunned. He's stunned. Oh. Oh, I'm out of shotgun ammo. Oh, I have to switch to. Wait.
You're in game chat, motherfucker! You're in game chat!
I have to switch to
Holy
slugs.
shit, holy shit, holy shit.
I'm throwing a time bomb. Get out of there.
Oh god.
No. Bitch.
On the roof, on the roof, on the roof!
Is he dead? He's
Oh my
dead.
God.
No
What a
way!
snipe, dude.
Good
What a
shit,
snipe.
dude.
We can skin him.
Alright, 3. Wait, ready? 3, 2. Oh.
Oh.
On the
We
fucking
better
most
get,
important one, you do that shit. Huh, motherfucker?
5.
5. Holy shit, yeah, I can't carry. I got full. Holy shit, dude. What a battle. What a fucking battle.
Holy.
Wow.
Oh my god, I almost fucking died.
Dude.
I looked at the roof and I was like, holy fuck.
I had like 70 fucking 9mm bullets going into this. I'm out completely. I used all my grenades
Yeah.
too. I used every grenade I had.
I'm out of
Well, boys, let's go
Oh,
see what's at the end.
grenades.
Where'd the other player go that was shooting? Or the NPC?
Yeah, maybe.
Where's their body though? Shouldn't they have a body around here?
where I ran.
You don't think so?
I think he ran. Oh yeah, cause look. Wait. I'm just gonna double check, make sure they ain't like nothing. Which I'm pretty sure that was it.
I think we're good. I think
This,
we're
is,
good to go.
this isn't an exit. We're way too low for it to be an exit.
Yeah. You're right. This isn't an exit. It's probably just loading us into another area.
Oh, true. Actually, you're right.
Let me equip my shotgun in my hotbar slot because I had my pistol there. Let me get the shotgun on real quick.
I gotta eat an MRE real quick.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a good idea. I'm gonna eat an MRE and drink water, or crunchy munchies and drink water. Use your flask, boys.
I think I used the last sip of my flask.
Really, mine's full.
My time bomb didn't go off.
Oh, it did, but you just threw it. It's just late. It just threw it like you threw it behind him. Cause I saw the green dot from it.
There's another golden armor door.
Oh, your armor came off. Oh, your
It
armor came off.
Yep.
auto-equipped mine.
Oh, it's the
Hold
cube.
on.
I'm in here.
Hey, yo.
Oh, don't spoil nothing because I'm getting it for the YouTube. I'm behind you guys. Both you guys are ahead of me on the clip. Oh shit. Oh, damn.
Working.
It's like an elevator.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. What the fuck?
What the?
What the hell?
What?
Whoa, whoa,
What
whoa,
the
whoa, whoa.
fuck is going on, dude?
No way. What? No.
We're in Coruscant.
Bro! This is a society a fucking anime was never invented. What the hell, dude? Just kidding, I love anime.
Shake.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, yo!
The fuck? Oh!
What?
Okay.
Hey, what?
Oh.
Oh, hey,
What's
boys.
back there? What is this?
Our backpack.
Wait,
Hell yeah. Achievement locked. Fight demons.
wait.
Wait. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, we had an option. We had a choice.
No!
To
I was
leave?
gonna stay here or leave. Yeah.
Oh, fuck. We fucked up.
Fuck!
Well, let me on, buddy. I didn't get to make a decision. Y'all made it for me. Oh, shit.
I didn't know that's what it was gonna do.
Well, boys.
Me neither.
Damn. Good stuff.
Well, now I'm confused.
It looks like there's gonna be another game. That's what I'm smelling. On another
Yeah.
planet. Or DLC.
I can complete that again, bro.
DLC on another planet?
Well, there might be a cutscene when we leave.
So the aliens are from another planet then, boys. And then I don't know what the fuck that was at the end. The little cum dumpster. I don't know what the fuck that was. Why is there a green blip so close to us?
That's the thing.
That's the
Oh yeah,
That's the kid we were just in.
yeah.
Oh fuck!
I'm honestly, dude, that was fucking sick. Definitely aliens. That's definitely their planet. Has to be. Right?
I don't know. I saw vehicles. I don't think those fucking things would be driving vehicles. Well,
Dude, that was fucking insane.
Well, it's fucking insane. Wow. And
I'm gonna never play this game ever again.
Well, what a level of mystery, dude. What a level of mystery. I don't know, this game always fucking leaves you... This game always ends up leaving you with more questions than you started with. Like, I have so many more questions now that we've actually beaten it. I don't even know what the fuck all that shit was, dude. Like a whole nother planet, and then the shit at the end, too. That big blob that followed us around all game. That died a million times, but kept coming back. I don't get that. But I fuck with it heavy. Oh my god. Shotgun shot does not one-shot you with the gold armor. It'll two-tap me though. It'll fucking two-tap me. Chill! Oh.
Yeah, boy.
I hate you guys. Alright guys, well that's going to be the end of Sons of the Forest. It was a crazy game. The ending still got me here hella confused. I watched a little bit of stuff about it on YouTube. I believe it's actually like dimensional stuff, not actually like aliens. Like I think that's a whole different dimension, and that was why Timmy had all those people pop out of him, because that was him in different dimensions. I think that's what it is. I'm not 100% sure. You guys could probably Google it and get the answer. But I think those motherfuckers still seem like aliens, the guys that we fought. But I think a lot of that stuff is like dimensional. Like we didn't see another planet, we saw Earth in another dimension. So I'm not 100% sure on that though. Go ahead and give it a Google. I hope you guys enjoyed the series. It was crazy. If you want more Sons of the Forest, be sure to let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.